Hi, welcome to Abeer's Fun World. Today we are going to do science experiment. It's in visible ink. You can write it for anybody, even for your teacher, even for your friends, even for your mother or father. You heard it right. It's invisible ink. Let's start experiment number 1. First we need white crayon and some coloring water or paint. Okay.
And one paper.
Yes.
If you don't have a color, watercolor,
Yes.
you can use a turmeric, that is haldi, with water. Okay.
First I'm going to write my daddy.
I'm going to draw something.
Yes.
Let's see what secret message Abeer wanna give. Nothing is there, Abeer. So let's see what Abeer wrote. Let's reveal the secret message. What are you going to do, Abeer? Wow, Abeer. It's so
This
beautiful.
is my mama and this is my daddy and we are coming to London. It's Father's Day.
It's a Father's Day.
Yes.
Today we are celebrating your Father's Day.
Yes.
So this is how he made the drawing. And you want to draw something more?
Yes.
Okay. Can you hold it properly?
Yes.
It's after that, let's allow it to dry. Show me. Wow, can you give me a smile?
We need some cotton earbuds and some lemon.
Yes, only 2 ingredients, Abeer.
Yes.
And we need hair dryer.
Yes. Hair dryer.
Let's start.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's start. So I am taking cotton earbud, one of them. And I'm wrapping it.
So allow it for drying, okay? Can you see something?
No.
A little bit. Let's dry. Allow it to dry.
Message is dry.
It's dry. Let's go and check. Let's put the hair dryer.
With lemon water, let's see how it comes.
Let me see. I, heart, and you. Yeah, it's showing up.
I love you.
Thank you. I love you too. Let's do another one. Do you know, Abeer, if you put torchlight on this paper, on that one that you put lemon, right? We can still read the message. Can you off the light? Let's try.
Okay.
What is that, Abeer? You got a torch?
Yes.
Okay, so now you have to put it the back side. Okay, I'm holding the paper away for you. Start from the top, from your side. Yeah. Cool, Abeer.
Yes, it's so cool.
Thank you. You can on the lights now.
We can see it also.
So the same lemon one, we can, it's not for the kids, this is for the adults, or maybe under the supervision of adults, strictly under the supervision of adults or with the adults. You can, after putting or writing with lemon water, you can put a little bit of fire. I mean, you can use a iron over it, or you can put you can use a matchstick or a lighter and just put it little bit under the paper, and see, it will come like this. But just make sure it will not get burned. Too much of heat can burn the paper. Just a bit of heat is required, and so the message pops up like this. How cool, Abeer?
Cool. And
This one is not being done by Abeer. This one only I did it by my own. Abeer wasn't there.
because fire is dangerous for kids.
Exactly.
Maybe it can burn your finger.
That's correct. So show the message, Abeer. First, we did with lemon and we try to put it the hair dryer. Second, in the same page, we put a torch right backside and reveal the secret message written by Abeer. The third one, we just put a little bit of heat. We provided a little bit of heat down the paper, and this message comes out. So this is the 3 ways. Same with only lemon water. It's time to say bye-bye.
Yes. Bye.
I hope you like our all the secret messages methods. Just keep trying and let us know in the comment which one you like the most.
Yes. The first one or the lastest one?
Yeah. So give a thumbs up. Just like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.